Okay, first of all, we're going to map out using dots. This type of drawing using the dot system. You can use it if you're unsure of the angles and which direction your line should take. So map it out using dots. This way you can do your drawing slowly and put each dot in the right place. You can use a ruler too if you want. But for this exercise you're getting used to using circular shape and curved lines. Now filling it in, filling our dot helicopter in, doing the cabin, then the skids, and that's the dot one finished. Now I'm going to demonstrate using shapes, curves and lines. I'm going to draw a circle, and then after we get our circle we're going to draw in two curved lines to make the tail boom. So if you're practicing your curved or wavy lines, you'll be able to do that. A couple of straight lines to do the tail rotor area. Don't worry about doing mistakes at this stage, but primarily the drawing is for exercise and practice, and it's a relaxing drawing to practice. Very easy, very simple. Uses a couple of different drawing techniques. Putting in our mast. Once we've got our mast in, we can put in our rotor blade and the stabilizers. That's our finished simple basic helicopter drawing. The third example that I'm going to demonstrate on here is adding more details to a drawing. So I've marked out two points on my piece of paper. The first one I'm going to draw in the circle once again. It's still doing the same helicopter. Putting in my curved tail boom, and then my tail rotor area or section. Just adding some touching up on some of the lines there. The mast goes in, then my rotor blades. Got the skids. Now, unlike the previous drawings, I'm going to add in some details. The details make it a little bit better, but adding in details takes work. Experience. So putting in the engine, a couple of little things hanging off the tail rotor. This of course isn't a real helicopter, but we're just adding these things for fun. All exercises when practicing should be drawn to have fun. That's your main goal when practicing and learning how to draw. So, stabilizer bars, putting them in, putting a little bit of colour to the drawing, some windswept lines to show that it's moving. There you go, finished drawing.